I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. Changing your security settings on Venmo is essential for keeping your account safe. Here is a simple guide to help you through the process. Step 1. Open the Venmo app. Launch the Venmo app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Settings. Tap on the 3 horizontal lines in the upper left corner to open a menu, then select Settings from the list. Step 3. Select Privacy. In the Settings menu, find and tap on Privacy. This section allows you to adjust who can see your transactions and account activity. Step 4. Adjust security settings. Look for the security option within the privacy settings. Here, you can enable features like two-factor authentication for added protection. Step 5. Save changes. After making your adjustments, ensure you save any changes by tapping Save at the bottom of the screen. If you forget this step, your settings won't be updated. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your Venmo account. If you have any questions or run into issues, feel free to reach out. Stay safe.